Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms. These things are not toys. These are there to alert you that there is a fire in the building, and you have to evacuate immediately. So these are nothing to mess around with. You don't take the fire alarm off the wall, you don't take the plate off the alarm, you don't take the strobe off the alarm, you don't disable the sound or the strobe on the alarm, you don't paint the alarm, you don't hit the alarm, you don't screw or unscrew the alarm, you don't adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm, you don't put tape over the alarm, you don't draw pictures on the alarm, you don't take the fire lettering off the alarm, you don't take the logo off the alarm. You don't do any of that. That is not good. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. So, do not do anything that will cause the alarm not to work anymore. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, you can get in so much trouble that you can potentially get arrested, because that is against the law, because that endangers other people's lives, because you are causing the fire department to respond to a fake emergency, and there could be a real emergency somewhere else. And the fire department, they could not be at the real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm. Because of you, people are dying. That is not okay at all. The moral of the story is never pull fire alarms for fun. Never tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings. Bye.